Tentree just launched a $1,000 instant funded account where you're just going to spend only a $39 in acquiring this account. So what are you waiting for? You don't need to spend your time trying to pass an evaluation account. So you get real, start making real money immediately. Is this not a wonderful opportunity? So if you're a student or you're having issues with capital and you want to trade a prop account and just want to go live, so this package is for you. And as well, if the $1,000 instant funded account is too small for you, you can do the $3,000 or the $10,000 instant funded account. So remember that you need to use our promo code FXmedia28 so that you can be part of our community where you're going to benefit free signals and every other Forex benefit. All right, so if you're new to being a ten trader, what you just need to do is to click the link in our bio or in the description so you can be part of our community. But if you're an existing ten trader, you don't need to do that. So you just need to acquire an account if you need an account. All right, so what are you waiting for? See you in the trading room. Bye.